ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯄꯦꯕꯝ ꯁꯨꯔꯆꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯀꯧꯏ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯋꯦꯁ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯣꯏ ꯈꯣꯡꯅꯥꯡꯈꯣꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯂꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯡ 24ꯗ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯥꯏꯠ ꯀꯦꯟꯁꯦꯜ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯌꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯚꯕꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯚꯕꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯚꯕꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯨꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯐꯤꯁꯨ ꯐꯤꯆꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯦꯌꯔ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ 35 days ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯖꯔꯕ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯃꯤ 34ꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯃꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯌꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯝꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯚꯕꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯝ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯗꯅ ꯆꯦꯛꯑꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯆꯤ ꯂꯥꯟꯖꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯆꯦꯛꯑꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯥꯛ ꯑꯃꯃꯝ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯆꯥꯄꯣꯠꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯡꯍꯥꯔꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯎꯕ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ
I studied in Hyderabad as an engineer BTech final year. I would like to say that we came from Guwahati. We find really comfortable. Our government helped us to take from Guwahati to Manipur Bhawan. We are 87 around 90 people. So we are very lot of thanks to our government, our CM, who took very responsibility, and we paid our own amount like this, of this bus fare, and we shall remain all lot of thanks to our government who also helped me, and all the people who came from Manipur, and who are those students who reside in Guwahati. They just got help from our Manipur road. This is just one thing I would like to say. I conclude here. So that
Indubala. Rampur district. Thank you.
mayam tunggiri singse akwai na hairaba matung na tumbira ko mayam atum tunga nungai na tum phamaga leira mayam kuma ya deko akwai na hairaba tumbira ko mayam tungbire bechen outsing mayam tabi ko maningi maningda leiriba bus ki wana lakpir bechen outsing akhoi ge sinjal langjari ba police department sinjal langjari ba ke taraf tagi wafang kara thamjage hojik mayam ge tumam chabam nungai na loina sillaga leirabani medical directorate na